Hi friends, this video shows how to use proxy server with Jio Set Top Box. First go to settings, select settings icon from top, go to network, set Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this Jio Set Top Box to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2025. Wi-Fi 2025, that is the name of the Wi-Fi router which I am using. Set Wi-Fi 2025, set proxy settings, set manual proxy settings. If you have a proxy server, you can enter the address of that proxy server here, so that way you can send all packets from this Jio set-top box via that proxy server. So this way we can configure proxy server for this Jio set-top box. After entering the address of the proxy server, we can select OK. Select OK, and that way you can save this proxy server name. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.